my students. I put out your quarter grades. The grade is done for the quarter. We're having no grades this week, so you don't have to worry about that. Just watch my 4 videos I put out. I'd appreciate it. One each day. Well, watch the videos each day. I might have 2 tomorrow because I'm going to show you your test corrections tomorrow, or the test answers. I only had 1 student not turn in the test, or it didn't get to me. Let's say it that way. I don't know. It was a DC elementary student, grade school, and it was a boy, that Mr. Courage emailed before. So I sent my grade school kids emails with their quarter grades. If you didn't get it, just email me back, and I'll email you the grade. I think I did it to everyone, for everyone. And my high school kids, it's on Schoology. Over the years, the last week of the quarter, I kind of like to not give a grade if I can, because it seems like every other teacher has big projects and stuff. So kind of give you a break. So just watch the videos, do the little homework I give you. It won't be a lot. Now you say, Mr. Murphy, I haven't been watching the videos. You don't know. Well, it will catch up to you, because you're going to see a lot of this again 4th quarter next year if you're in honors, and you'll see it again in honors pre-calculus. You'll see it again in calculus. So then when you don't know how to do it, it will just destroy you. But today and tomorrow we're going to do probability. Then Thursday and Friday we're going to do sequences, whatever those are. Now probability talks about how often should something happen. Now, it's written this way: P for probability, and then event, what we're looking for, equals a fraction. And it's the number of ways for our specific item divided by the number of ways the total item can happen. Now, let's talk about dice. Oops, I shouldn't have said that. Interesting little story. About 20 years ago, mathematicians had a huge convention about the evils of saying the word dice. And their conclusion was, by saying dice, especially to little kids, it'd probably make them turn into gamblers and lose a lot of money in their life. So they said we're supposed to call it a number cube. Now, I find the interesting fact is they had this big convention to decide this in Las Vegas. So anyways, when you have a number cube has 6 sides, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each number cube has 6 things that could happen. So if I have 2 number cubes I roll, I would have this number cube has 6, this has 6. So how many things could happen with 2? Well, the fundamental counting theorem says it'd be 6 times 6, or 36 things could happen. So if I said, what's the probability you roll 2 number cubes, and the number cubes, the sum is 7. Well, the bottom number is 36, because there's 36 total different things that can happen. Now, for 7, you would do, well, one could be a 6, the other one is 6. One could be a 1, one could be a 6, or this one could be 6, this could be 1. Now, the way I was shown is assume one number cube is red and one is blue. Then you could have a red 1, blue 6, or you could have a red 6, blue 1. So they're different. It could be 2, 5, 5, 2, and it could be 3, 4, 4, 3. And that's it. So there's 6 ways to have a 7 as a sum, which reduces 1 out of 6. So that means 1 out of 6 rows would be a 7. Now realize, this is talking about infinity. So you could right today roll it 10 times and get no sevens as a sum. So how many ways could you get doubles? So the same on each cube. Or doubles. So you could have a 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It would be 1, 6, 2. Now notice when you're rolling number cubes for money in Las Vegas, the chances you win are very small. Very small. So right now, what's the probability you get a sum of a 3? Well, you could have a 1, 2 or a 2, 1. So it'd be 2 out of 36 or 1/18 the time. Now again, I'm going to keep saying this over the couple days, that you could roll it 1,000 times and get no 3s. But if you did this all your life and you wrote it 1,000 times a day and then counted up, it would be very close to 1 out of every 18 times you'd have a 3. So, now another, for some reason, I don't know why. Well, we got some, today's going to be a short one. Tomorrow we'll do 2 videos. It's a Tuesday, you just had vacation, you're just waking up. So, think about this, and then tomorrow we'll talk about what if there's 3 kids in a family, or flipping coins and cards. And I'll show you the test answers. Have a good day.